Okay, so let's talk a little bit about essential oil safety. Um, it is really important to realize that Young Living's essential oils are very potent. One drop of peppermint oil is equivalent to 26 cups of peppermint tea. So it is really important that you know how to dilute and find the proper ratios for your essential oils using carrier oil. A couple of things. You should never place essential oils in your ears or your eyes. I know that seems kind of like a given, but sometimes essential oils can get in eyes. So if that does happen, be sure to use a carrier oil. Young Living actually carries a carrier oil called V6. And you can also use like a coconut or sweet almond oil or something like that. If you have more questions, just let me know. And to know the proper dilution ratios, especially for those who have children. Like I said before, they're really, really potent. And so you don't want to put just a drop of peppermint oil or something like that on your child without diluting it properly. And also there's a book out there called Gentle Babies, and that one actually shows and talks about how to dilute and what's really great for your kids. And so I would recommend that book for people that are curious. I happen to be more on the conservative side when it comes to using oils on my children. I have a very small select group of oils that I use, and I dilute them pretty heavily. It's also important to know which oil is considered a hot oil, like a peppermint or a lemon. You want to make sure that you dilute those properly as well, because otherwise they'll sit on your skin and they just kind of feel really warm. Personally, I like that warm feeling, but some people might not like that, so it's really up to you on your preferences. So it's really important to do your own research. I always encourage everyone to always be self-educating when they're using essential oils. And so if you have any more questions, just comment below.